What's up? My name is Caela. I was born deaf and I grew up hard of hearing. I have hearing aids. I don't like them, but I digress. So, today we're going to be talking about why parents or families don't learn ASL for their children or family members. 90% of deaf people are born into hearing families. And their families don't learn sign language. So you might be asking, how do they communicate? They don't. Their children may go to a deaf school and learn sign language by themselves, or these families force them to try to talk and just read their lips, which is so hard. So please, if you have a family member or have a child who's deaf, learn sign language. It's a beautiful community and language.